English Bal Bharti, Standard 5, Lesson number 2, Daydreams. Once there lived a couple. Couple means husband and wife who spent a lot of time in idle talk. Idle talk is useless conversation or useless talking. One day the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. The husband tell about his desire to his wife that he want to buy some cows if he get some extra money. But that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bathe them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. There's no need to buy more cows, said the wife. So the wife said, there's no need to buy lot of cows, only one cow will do. The husband said, but I think of all the milk we will get if we buy more, said the husband. Then what the wife said? That's true. The wife agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi, butter and ghee. But wouldn't it be lovely? How lucky that I have all these earthen pots kept aside. The wife said she has kept lot of earthen pots. That means the pots were made of earth or mud. I shall use one of the pots for milk, one for dahi, one for butter. The ghee I shall put in another jar, and I shall use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister. The husband said, send milk to your sister? Who said you could send milk to your sister? Then the wife said, there will be plenty of milk if we have so many cows. Why should not I send it to my sister? Then the husband said, because we are going to sell it in the market. That's why I will decide what to do with all the milk, and not a drop of it goes to your sister. Remember. The husband angrily said that he is not going to send milk to his wife's sister. Then what the wife said? I shall see how can you stop me from sending a pot full of milk to my dear sister. I do all the hard work running after the cows, so naturally I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me, the wife exclaimed. And the husband shouted, is that so? Shouted the husband. Watch this then. He began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one. His wife began to scream, while his wife began to shout at her husband. Then what happened? Up Gopal Bhan, who was passing by, heard all the commotion and rushed inside. A person called Gopal Bhan rushed inside, hearing all the commotion between husband and wife as they were quarreling with each other. Then he heard What happened? He picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to squeeze it through the air and pound it on the floor. The husband and wife were both astounded to see his antics. "What are you doing?" they inquired. "Move aside," said Gopal Bhatt. "I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wander." Wander means roaming in the field or moving around. "And now they have ruined my field." Ruin means the cows has destroyed Gopal Bhatt's field of beans and cucumbers. "Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers!" Gopal Bhatt exclaimed. The husband said, "But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers," said the husband. As soon as he said that, Gopal Bhatt stopped wielding the stick and looked at him with raised eyebrows. As soon as the husband said that you don't have a field, then why are you swishing the stick around? Then Gopal Bhatt stopped swishing the stick around and amazingly, with wondering eyes, he looked after the husband. Why he looked after the husband? The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell them. Now, students, can you tell what Gopal Bhatt wanted to say? Yes, Gopal Bhatt wanted to taught the couple a lesson by using their own method of daydreaming about a herd of cows. The story gives out a clear message that one must not waste time by fighting over things that do not exist. Thank you.